Bro, you ain't. Go ahead. Let me see you, bro. Alright, we out, bro. We out.
This man is bugging right now, yo. He's bugging. Yes, sir. I felt amazing. Yo, son. You know the vibes. Yes, sir. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Ray Godified. Today is a spot I heard about. It's called Zaxby'S. Recap the last video when he said it.
This place you gotta go to is called Zaxby'S.
You already know the vibes. We about to head over there right now. So, let's see you guys over there. Alright, back.
If we would like to try the buffalo sandwich today?
The chocolate salad.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Alright, what can we get you?
Can I get, you want wings and things too?
Yeah, and the sandwich.
So I'm getting 2 wings and things.
Chicken, 2 wings and things, a chicken, but I want 3 Zaxby's sauce.
Okay. I'm gonna do 3 wings and things. You want I'm going with
Boneless or traditional?
I'm going with boneless.
I'm doing boneless.
Boneless? Can I get all 3 boneless, please?
They're all 3 boneless.
fucking
and wing sauces?
What kind of you want? Hot sauce?
Alright, and the third one?
Yeah.
Make that original again. All 3 Sprite.
Sprite.
And then can I get
How much you pay for it?
God.
$51.
Yeah, done.
$51.
51 beans?
It's alright though.
51 beans.
It's alright though, cause it's gonna be worth it.
Is it though?
On God.
Where's the middle one?
Oh, gang.
On God.
You come through,
I'ma make you come over and over and over and over. I'ma treat you like how we is supposed to, bro. You better make no time for these homies. Cause when I ride, I'ma ride with you. Ride.
I can dig him with copyright.
That's tough.
Ooh, I smell. Denny, where the straws at?
You really need one though?
I'm less.
We really need one. Timmy.
Definitely.
Oh man, bro, I haven't ate all day just so I could witness this.
Witness this beauty.
Witness the amazingness of this formula of nutrition.
The beautifulness of this wonderful thing called Zaxby'S. So it's so real, I have to take the seatbelt off so I can really enjoy it. You know what I'm saying?
Enjoy it.
You know, man. What's this bright on, bro?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Hold on. What you told me? Hold on. What you told me? I couldn't believe it the first time.
You believe it now?
One more time. How, bro?
Nah, bro. Zaxby'S is a different breed, bro.
It amazes me every single time I eat this, bro. Every time I eat this.
How, bro? How, Sway?
Every single time I eat this, bro.
This is illegal.
This is a monstrosity right here. You didn't even try.
You even had to try to.
You didn't even try the Zaxby'S, bro.
Nah. You're already starting bad right now, man.
You're starting bad, bro. Automatic, bro.
Bro.
Nah, bro, you gotta try the Zaxby'S sauce, bro. That's gonna change your life. Literally.
I promise you, it only gets better from there.
Listen, bro, they need to make one in fucking New York, bro.
I know, right, bro?
This is crazy.
Bro, this is a southern thing, bro. It's the only thing.
Man, it has to stay out here. It only can be out here.
Nah, cause New York, they gonna sabotage it, bro.
I promise you.
Guaranteed.
Oh my god.
The Bronx got better basketball players.
God's going in the video.
That's a fact. The Bronx do. You don't think they don't?
The Bronx got the best schools, the best public schools, best basketball schools.
Well,
don't put that in the video.
Why do we care about schools? do like even forks. I'm over here with my bare hands. I feel like this isn't decent. Nah. Jack with ranch, bro, is a different breed.
I put you on ranch.
No good.
I did it?
No.
Nah, this food is on another level. I'll tell you, bro. Takeout should never be this good. Welcome to the South.
Welcome to Southern food.
This is why people that come out here get fat.
You went from Kentucky Fried Chicken to Zaxby'S chicken, bro. It's an upgrade. That's all it is.
I'm moving from a PS3 to a PS5.
Nah.
That's a huge upgrade.
You went from the bodega spot
To Zaxby'S. So my man went from Kentucky Fried Chicken
Nah, bro.
to Zaxby'S.
Why is it seasoned so well? Why? Tell me,
I'm trying
bro.
to figure that out this whole time, bro. It's like a secret ingredient at this point.
Is it drugs? It has to be
crack.
drugs. It has to be crack, bro. What?
It's crack.
It's crack. Cocaine, the original sauce.
Like, you know how McDonald's got that McDonald's Sprite?
Yeah,
that
that's
thing's
Chidori.
different?
That's Chidori.
Yeah. You know how that's crack, right?
Mm-hmm.
This right here, nah. It's like meth.
It's that crack.
Mm.
Nah, yeah, I promise y'all. The chicken is over here. The sandwich is
Way better.
It's in Popeyes. The burgers.
You got Chick-fil-A?
Nah,
Do they
Shake
have
Shack
Chick-fil-A
burgers,
in
bro?
Nah.
New York?
Yeah, but Chick-fil-A
Okay.
got nothing on Zaxby'S.
Nah.
Nah, they don't. Mm-mm.
That's
I already tasted.
That's just the truth, bro. It's a fact. It's not even a debate.
Food is good. It's on another level, bro. You can't bring New Yorkers out here, bro. They're just gonna come here every day.
I know.
As soon as I tasted this, I had to rethink my life. Right? I had to rethink, why is this not in New York? And I think I know the answer.
Bro, if I ever have a mansion, there's gonna be a Zaxby'S in it. You hear me?
He's gonna have his own fast food chain inside his mansion.
And everybody getting paid just to feed me.
Bro, this food is so good. Gordon Ramsay should be approved by this.
Nah, he didn't. Nah.
Astonished by this.
This puts Gordon Ramsay.
He's gonna be like, what's this? What is this, you fucking donut? I have to rinse it down, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I should have got a lemonade.
Nah.
I know my dumbass don't drink soda. Where did I get it? Why did I get it?
How, bro?
Just think you cook your chicken tenders, bread, and Zax sauce, and ranch. Right? I got ranch in it, right?
I think it has.
Like, I can't believe that there's food this good out here. I can't believe
Hold on, what's the
I
next
just
spot?
tasted god-like food.
What's the next spot we gotta go to?
I didn't try Bojangles yet. Tomorrow I'm going to work out, bro, because I'm too fat right now. I'm then about to go outside where nobody even sees me and just start doing mad jumping jacks, jogging.
Mad calisthenics.
Mad calisthenics, bro.
I gotta get rid of the Zax inside of me.
Yeah, bro. I got mad sodium, everything built up inside me. Just start sweating everything out, bro. He said take a fry. I'm like, bro, it's fries. Yeah, it's fries.
Yeah, it's fries. Actually, just calling it
You
fries
dumb
is disrespectful.
right.
Just calling it fries is disrespectful.
Like, I literally call myself a dumb in my head after I ate that fry, bro. Like, you sound
Like,
so
bro, you sound so-
stupid. You're retarded, bro. That's Zaxby'S fries. Bro, let me see that sandwich, bro. I'm gonna cry when I go back to New York if that sandwich is that good.
All I gotta say, bro, is just prepare for the best.
Never the worst.
Bro, that bread I tasted earlier, bro. This is the same bread.
Yep.
The same.
Yeah, bro, she got you like that? Damn.
Now, food coming hit in the right time, bro.
Yeah, I'm going to sleep after when I get to that.
Bro. Bro.
Nah, bro. My goal in life is to have a Zaxby'S in my own house. Respectfully, 100 out of a 10.
Respectfully?
100 out of 10.
Nah, respectfully though, respectfully.
It's maxed out though, for sure.
Nah, respectfully.
It's more than maxed out. It's beyond.
13 out of 10. Take it or leave it.
Bro, it's fire, bro. This is different.
I ain't gonna lie, if any of y'all come down to the south, definitely go to Zaxby's, and that's a fact.
Well, that's all I got for you guys today, man. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you are new. Hit that bell so you can stay notified, because you're notified respectfully. Stay notified, stay notified until next video, guys. Peace.